How to see download history in Google Play Store. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. But before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. Now let's head to the video. It's very quick and simple. Say you, for example, downloaded previously apps and you uninstalled it but don't remember what exactly the name was and you want to search for the previous history. So this is how you do it. First you open the Play Store. It's very simple. Click on your profile icon on the top right. Once you click on that, click on manage devices. Here you'll find many options, like here it shows update, 5 pending apps. Right, you don't have to choose any of this. You have to click on manage. Once you click on manage, here you'll find multiple options, but you have to click on this device and you have to click on not installed. So these are the apps that you previously are in your download history but are not installed again. These are the apps that exist on your previous download history of your Play Store. So if this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.